Welcome to Quickvee POS. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of connecting your printers and your cash drawer. From the home screen, start by navigating to Station Settings. Once in Station Settings, select Hardware. On the Hardware page, you'll notice 4 tabs at the top: In-Store Setup Printer, Online Setup Printer, Configure Pin Pad, and Setup Label Printer. In this video, we'll focus on In-Store Setup Printer and Online Setup Printer. Let's start with In-Store Printer. You'll see 2 sections here: Packing Slip Printer and Payment Receipt Printer. To configure the printer, start by selecting the printer icon for one of the sections, such as Payment Receipt Printer. After selecting your printer, you'll be prompted to enter a numerical value for the number of prints. If you only want one receipt to print, simply click Yes, then Save, then Print Test to ensure it's working properly. It's critical to note that Payment Receipt Printer controls your cash register. Make sure this printer is selected and active to ensure your cash register opens correctly during transactions. Now, let's repeat these same steps for Packing Slip Printer. Now let's navigate to Online Setup Printer. If you're taking online orders through Quickvee and want your online orders to print out whenever a customer places an order, you can proceed to follow these steps. If you have multiple registers, you can choose to enable Online Setup Printer on a specific POS station. For any POS station you don't want to receive online order prints from, simply don't enable the Online Setup Printer option. That's it, your printers are now set up and ready to go. By following these steps, you can ensure that your system is fully optimized for both in-store and online order processing. And thanks for choosing Quickvee. Stay tuned for more how-to videos.